The kitchen is beautiful. We love it, and we spend lots of time in there cooking and just admiring it. From the lighting to the backsplash, the cabinets, the flooring, everything just tied in wonderfully. And we're just so proud of it. Margie's the youngest of 12 siblings. And she's lived in this house for a real long time. With her parents, and they've since passed. The kitchen was the last thing to really be renovated or changed. And so when everything started to come into place with Gold Coast, she really had some emotional times. Even I'm getting emotional right now just talking about it. And now this is, our kitchen, the way that we wanted it, and the way I'm sure her mother is happily looking down on us.
Honestly, we totally loved the outcome of the kitchen, the fact that we were able to relocate our refrigerator, of spending time in the kitchen because it just feels so bright and full of life. I don't know how to describe it other than there feels like there's a lot of energy in that kitchen now.
Stuff on TV. And we're kind of noticing a trend of like uppers one color, lowers one color. And then when we decided on taking the refrigerator out and having that one cabinetry off to the side, that's when Margie, kind of made the ultimate decision to do gray on the bottom. But, Joey helped out with that decision and helping us with how the setup would be and how many cabinets and so forth.
Yeah.
And also with the different, because we put a countertop was different on that side as well. So it's cool. It's really cool. And that's the other thing about Joey is I don't think he knows the answer no. Like, he figures out a way that we could, for the most part, everything was, oh yeah, we could do that, or we could figure that out, or, and that was something that we appreciated a lot, was that his willingness to please us or to give us what we wanted.
We totally love working with you guys. Have a lot of respect for Joey and his knowledge.
We were learning a little bit more about this pandemic and how to stay safe. And then you guys provided a cleaning pail, for the guys to stay clean.
Yeah, we also appreciated the tool, right? The online tool. We love it. We love all the work that you guys did. We love working with you guys. I thought, everybody, down to your workers, were all very pleasant to work with. So, thank you.
You and your company are responsible for a lot of oohs and ahs and smiles in this house, just looking and experiencing it is really, it brings joy to us. The day I came back from the hospital and I sat down in our little kitchen area, our dining area, and just looking at the kitchen, I told Margie, I just feel joy looking at this kitchen as opposed to, if it wasn't done and I came home, this just makes me feel so happy. It just brings joy to me to look at this kitchen and have this space. So it was therapeutic, believe it or not.